వెల్కమ్ టు ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఆఫ్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. నేను శ్యామ్. ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ వీడియోలో మనం టైపబిలిటీ పార్ట్ 2 లెసన్ 3 to 4 నేర్చుకోబోతున్నాం. సో ఫ్రెండ్స్, అంతకంటే ముందుగా ఇదివరకు మా యొక్క ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయనట్లయితే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. అలాగే పక్కనే ఉన్నటువంటి బెల్ ఐకాన్ పైన ట్యాప్ చేయండి. ఇలా చేయడం ద్వారా మేము చేసే ప్రతి ఒక్క వీడియో మీ మెయిల్కు నోటిఫికేషన్ రూపంలో టైం టు టైం అప్లోడ్ చేయగానే రావడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ వీడియోలో నేను ఎలాంటి ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ చేయకుండా డైరెక్ట్గా నేను టైపబిలిటీ ట్యూటోరియల్ అనేది స్టార్ట్ చేశాను. టైపింగ్ ప్రాసెస్ అని ఎందుకు అంటే గత వీడియోలో మీకు నేను క్లియర్గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను ఎలా యూజ్ చేయాలి కీస్ను, అది మనల్ని గైడ్ చేస్తే మనం ఎలా టైపింగ్ చేయాలి అనే దాని గురించి మీకు క్లియర్గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను అక్కడ. సో అందుకని ఇక్కడ నేను మీకు ఎలాంటి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ అయితే చేయట్లేదు. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఇక ఆలస్యం చేయకుండా మనం ఈరోజు మన టైపబిలిటీ గారిని స్టార్ట్ చేసేసుకున్నాం. లెట్స్ గో ఇంటు ద ట్యుటోరియల్.
Fun with TypeAbility 27 of 37. Enter. TypeAbility dialog. Edit. Type your full name dialog. Good evening and welcome to TypeAbility 4. Now, if you are the one and only Shyam S, then just press enter. Right, enter. Well, hello Shyam. It's just wonderful to see you once again. I remember you from our last session, and I remember how hard you were working. Shyam, you have 12 more openings of TypeAbility before your demo runs out. Now, in your last session, you completed the last lesson you were working on. It was lesson 2. Well, would you like to go to the very next lesson, lesson 3? To do that, all you have to do is press F2. Twice quickly. That's easy, isn't it? Just press F2 twice quickly to go to lesson 3. Of course, if you would rather go to a different lesson, just press F3 twice quickly. Then you can pick any lesson that you want. So, Shyam, press F2 or F3 twice quickly. Do it right now. F2. Lesson 3, word practice, the home row. Okay Shyam, make sure you're sitting up straight, because doctors tell us that sitting up straight makes your body healthier, but slouching in a chair for a long time, yuck, that's definitely not good for your health. Okay, here we go. In this lesson, you will be typing words, and the letters in the words will only be the letters that you have learned that are on the home row. Now type the word as, then space. The word as is spelled A-S. For example, did anyone ever tell you do as I say, not as I do? Maybe they should say do as I do and do as I say. Go ahead and type as, then space. Type it 4 times. Go for it. A-S, space, A-S, space, A-S, space, space. Wonderful. Now type the word sass, then space. The word sass is spelled S-A-S-S. For example, to sass someone means to talk back and not be polite to them. Go ahead and type sass, then space. Do it 4 times. S-A-S. S space, that's right, again S-A-S, S space, go S-A-S, S space, S-A-S-S space. Beautiful, now type the word add, then space. The word add is spelled A-D-D. For example, when you add 5 plus 5, you get 10. Go ahead and type add, then space. Type it 4 times. A-D-D space, A-D-D space, good, A-D-D space, yes sir, one last A-D-D space. Terrific. Now type the word dad, then space. The word dad is spelled D-A-D. For example, my dad said yes, but my mom said no, so I liked what dad said. Go ahead and type dad, then space. Type it 4 times. Go for it. D-A-D space, not D-A-D space, good, D-A-D space, you're on the roll, D-A-D space. That's just great. Shyam, before I tell you what your next task is, I want to tell you something that you might not know. Did you know what happens when you press the F1 key twice quickly? That's the F1 key that's at the top of your keyboard. It's right next to the escape key. Well, if you press the F1 key twice quickly, I will remind you what you're supposed to do. That's right. If you ever forget what you're supposed to do, all you have to do is press the F1 key twice quickly, and then I'll remind you what you're supposed to do. So, let's try that now. Press the F1 key twice quickly and I'll tell you what you're supposed to do. Go for it. Press F1 twice quickly. F1. Here's what you're supposed to do. Just type the word sad. It's spelled S-A-D, then press space. Once again, just type S-A-D, then press space. S-A-D. Space. Well done. Again, type S-A-D space. Good job. S-A-D space. Exceptional. S-A-D space. Super duper. Now type the word fad, then space. The word fad is spelled F-A-D. For example, a fad is something that lots of people love, but they love the fad just for a short time because they get tired of that fad and find a new fad to love for a while. Go ahead and type fad, then space. Type F-A-D space. Oh yeah, again F-A-D space. Right on. Again F-A-D space. Outstanding. F-A-D space. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Okay Shyam, here's the final task in this lesson. Now type the word word fats, then space. The word fats is spelled F-A-D-S. For example, fats means more than one fad. Fats is called the plural of fad. Go ahead and type fats, then space. Type it 4 times. Go F-A-D space no F-A-F-D-S space go F-A-S space alright F-A-D-S space first rate one last time shy F-A-D-S space. Terrific, just terrific. You finished the entire lesson. Great work, Shyam. Your speed was 35 words per minute and your accuracy was 97%. That's great accuracy, Shyam. Now, for your reward, I've got a joke for you. But to hear the joke, you have to press F1 twice quickly. That's right, just press F1 twice quickly and I'll tell you a really funny joke. F1. When you're at the beach, what can you use to cut the sea?
A seesaw.
If you want to hear the joke again, then press F1 twice quickly and I'll repeat the joke. Or if you want to go to another lesson, then press F2 or F3 twice quickly. Of course, if you want to end typeability, just press escape 3 times quickly. Next lesson. Lesson 4. More word practice. The home row. Alright, in this lesson you will be typing words again, and the letters in these words will only be the letters that you have learned that are on the home row. Now type the word all, then space. The word all is spelled A-L-L. For example, you can't have all of the pie, just one slice of the pie. That's all. Go ahead and type all, then space. Type it 4 times. Go for it. A-L-L. Space. Good. A-L-L. Space. Good. A-L-L. Space. You got it. 1 A-L-L. Space. Well done. Now type the word fall, then space. The word fall is spelled F-A-L-L. For example, the word fall is a homonym. That means it has more than one meaning. There's the word fall as in winter, spring, summer, and fall. And there's the word fall as in if you turn round and round and round and round, you will get dizzy and fall. Go ahead and type fall, then space. Do it 4 times. F-A-L-L. Space, that's right, F-A-L-L, space, good, F-A-L-L, no space, there you go, one last time, F-A-L-L, space, sweet. Now type the word lad, then space. The word lad is spelled L-A-D. For example, a lad is a young boy. Go ahead and type lad, then space. Type it 4 times. L-A-D space, correct, again, L-A-D space, good, again, L-A-D space, yes sir, one last time, L-A-D space, cool. Now type the word lads, then space. The word lads is spelled L-A-D-S. For example, a young boy is one lad, but many young boys are many lads, so lads is the plural of lad. Go ahead and type lads, then space. Type it 4 times. Go for it. L-A-D-S space, nice, again, L-A-D-S space, good, again, L-A-D-S space. You're on the roll. One last time, Shyam, L-A-D-S space. Bingo. Now type the word salad, then space. The word salad is spelled S-A-L-A-D. For example, if you eat your salad slowly, you may find it tastes so good, you don't even need salad dressing. Go ahead and type salad, then space. Do it 4 times. S-A-L-A-D space. Well done. Again, type S-A-L-A-D space. Good job. A-L-A-D space. Exceptional. S-A-L-A-D space. Got groovy. Now type the word lass, then space. The word lass is spelled L-A-S-S. For example, a lass is a young girl. Go ahead and type lass, then space. Type it 4 times. L-A-S-S space. Oh yeah, again, type L-A-S-S space. Right on, again, L-A-S-S space. Outstanding. One last time, Shyam, L-A-S-S space. You got it, Shyam. Before I tell you what your next task is, I want to remind you about what happens when you press the F1 key twice quickly. Do you remember what happens when you press the F1 key twice quickly? That's the F1 key that's at the top of your keyboard. It's right next to the escape key. Well, when you press the F1 key twice quickly, I will remind you what you're supposed to do. So if you ever forget what you're supposed to do, just press the F1 key twice quickly and then I'll remind you what you're supposed to do. So let's try that now. Press the F1 key twice quickly and I'll tell you what you're supposed to do. Go for it. Press F1 twice quickly. F1. Here's what you're supposed to do. Just type the word ask. It's spelled A-S-K, then press space. Once again, just type A-S-K, then press space. A-all-S-K, space. Good. A-S-K. Space, alright, A-S-K, space, first A-S-K, space. Terrific. Now type the word flask, then space. The word flask is spelled F-L-A-S-K. For example, a flask is a little bottle that can hold a small amount of liquid. Go ahead and type flask, then space. Do it 4 times. F-L-A-S-K, space. Great. Again, F-L-A K, no, backspace, SK, space, just great, again, FLASK, space, UFLASK, space. Great, now type the word alfalfa, then space. The word alfalfa is spelled ALFA. For example, alfalfa is a very nutritious plant that horses and cattle love to eat, and most humans like alfalfa sprouts, which are delicious in salads and sandwiches. Go ahead and type alfalfa, then space. Type it 4 times. ALFA. ALFA. Space. Excellent. Again. ALFA. Space. No. Type L space, no, type F, that's F, that's it, now press the A space, that's excellent, again, ALFA, space, yes sir, one last time, ALFA, space. Boom shakalaka. Okay, Shyam, here's the final task in this lesson. Now type the word Alaska, then space. The word Alaska is spelled ALASKA. For example, Alaska is the coldest state in the United States. Many Eskimos live in Alaska. Now, normally the first letter of Alaska should be capitalized, but we haven't learned capital letters yet. So, for now, please don't capitalize the first letter of Alaska. Go ahead and type Alaska, then space. Type it 4 times. Go but K, not A. Now you're cooking. Now press the S space, no, type K space, no, type A space, perfect. Again, type Alaska, then space, but you're real K, not quite. Shyam, type the A. Now you're cooking. Now press the S space, no, type K groovy. Now press the A space, super. Again, K, no, type A. Now you're cooking. Now press the S K space, you're on the roll. One last time, Shyam, ALASK, space, no, type A, space. Wonderful, just wonderful. You finished the entire lesson. Great work, Shyam. Your speed was 22 words per minute, and your accuracy was 95%. That's great accuracy, Shyam. Now, for your reward, I've got a joke for you. But to hear the joke, you have to press F1 twice quickly. That's right, just press F1 twice quickly, and I'll tell you a really, really funny joke. F1. What did one elevator say to the other elevator?
I think I'm coming down with something.
If you want to hear the joke again, then press F1 twice quickly and I'll repeat the joke. Or if you want to go to another lesson, then press F2 or F3 twice quickly. Of course, if you want to end typeability, just press escape 3 times quickly. See you later, alligator.
ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఇది ఈరోజు ట్యుటోరియల్ టైపబిలిటీ పార్ట్ 2 లెసన్ 3 and 4. సో ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, అలాగే షేర్ చేయండి. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఇదివరకు మా యొక్క ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయనట్లయితే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. పక్కనే ఉన్నటువంటి బెల్ ఐకాన్ పైన ట్యాప్ చేయండి. ఇలా చేయడం ద్వారా మేము చేసే ప్రతి ఒక్క వీడియో మీ మెయిల్ కు నోటిఫికేషన్ రూపంలో టైం టు టైం మేము అప్లోడ్ చేయగానే రావడం జరుగుతుంది. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, మళ్ళీ నెక్స్ట్ ట్యుటోరియల్ తో మీ ముందుకు రావడం జరుగుతుంది. అది పార్ట్ 3 విత్ టైపబిలిటీ లెసన్ 5 and 6 and 7. సో ఈ 3 లెసన్స్ తో మీ ముందుకైతే రావడం జరుగుతుంది. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.